Hi, I am Anand Mahajan, your trainer for this course on spoken English. See, this is our 10th video lecture whereby we will be learning some more common idioms. At one's wits' end. This is a very important idiom. At one's wits' end. You use this particular idiom when you are in a situation which is very confusing. You are in such a tough situation that you are unable to decide what to do now. So the meaning is that I was explaining, to be extremely worried and confused and can't decide what to do. Example sentence. After landing at the airport, I found my luggage to be missing. This is a very common phenomenon at the airports. I'm just joking. But it happens too often. After landing at the airport, I found my luggage to be missing. I was at my wits' end as my next flight was just after an hour. So naturally, if someone loses his or her luggage at the airport, and his or her next flight is going to take place after just an hour, so naturally that person will be pretty confused, and that person will not be like able to decide what to do next, because he is at his wits end. Right, next. Empty vessels make more noise. Some people call it empty vessels make much noise. So here you can use either more or much, it is all the same. Empty vessels make more noise. Now the meaning is this is used for the persons with less talent and poor knowledge, but they talk loudly. They talk very loudly, they act very arrogantly, right? So even though they are less talented, least talented, and they have very poor knowledge about something, but they will try to show off that as if they are the most knowledgeable, or they are the most talented persons. Okay, example sentence. Our neighboring country keeps threatening us despite being economically very backward. This is true that empty vessels make more noise. So here I am referring to the neighboring country who is acting just like empty vessels, because they do not have any kinds of capabilities. Economically, they are very weak, but yet they keep threatening us all the time. So empty vessels make more noise. So here you can see the spellings of neighboring can be different if you are using American English. Next. You can catch more flies with honey than with vinegar. It's very interesting idiom. You can catch more flies with honey than with vinegar means if you talk softly, if you talk politely, then there are more chances that you will get your work done. Right? So see, you should be polite and flattering in order to get your task done from a person. Right? So naturally, if you would be talking angrily to a person and you want that person to do something for you. So how come that person is going to do something for you? So you should be more polite. You should be flattering to that person. Example sentence. Kids would always speak very respectfully and politely with their parents when their pocket money gets exhausted. Here, gets exhausted means when their pocket money is finished. They are smart enough to know that they can catch more flies with honey than with vinegar. So, all of us have done in our childhood this thing. So, next idiom. To be in a black mood. To be in a black mood means when the person is very irritable and person is getting angry at the slightest provocation. So I mean the person is in an irritable mood. So to be irritable and in angry mood, then we will say that the person is in black mood. Example sentence. Peter has become very short tempered and remains in a black mood after he suffered a big loss in business. Right? Next. To be in a blue mood. to be in a blue mood. Let me tell you one thing, that there is a difference between being in a blue mood and being in a black mood. When you are in a black mood, you are irritable, but when you are in a blue mood, you are sad, because a blue color is associated with sadness. To be in a sad mood. Example sentence: Rita has been in a blue mood since the time she had a breakup with her boyfriend. Right?